Hi there, it's Kathy, the art teacher. Today I've created a new drawing video to show you how to draw a scarecrow. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Project for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Over the years, it has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button that's in the corner. It always helps me make more of these. Now here's an easy way to draw a scarecrow that has lots of fun details, but not so many as to get overwhelming. Let me show you what I mean. You know, scarecrows may seem like just a fun seasonal drawing, but the arms and legs on this guy do offer some good body proportion practice too. And the more bodies you draw, whether human or not, the better you get. So let's get started. The art supplies you need for this project are drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. If you want, you can also follow this matching tutorial that you can download from my website. Before you begin your drawing, it really helps to first make guides on your paper. Just fold and crease the paper in half in both directions, like I'm doing here, and then open it back up. You'll have creases that match my directions, which really help, plus they completely disappear by the time you're done coloring. Step number 1. Start the scarecrow head with a large U shape. Then draw a hat on top of that U shape. Add a band on the hat so it can have some extra color. Step number 2, time to draw the shirt. Start with the right side like I'm doing here, and then draw a matching left side. Step number 3, draw a curve for the bottom of the shirt. Then begin the right side of the pants, which include a cuff at the bottom. Draw a left side that matches the right. Step number 4, add some zigzag lines on the head for straw hair. And then draw a simple face with button eyes, triangle nose, and stitched mouth. Step number 5, now draw a bib on the shirt so the pants now look like overalls. When you're done, add a few fun patches here and there. Step number 6, draw zigzag lines at the end of the sleeves and pants to look like straw hands and feet. And then add the pole below that the scarecrow is hanging from. Step number 7, time to draw the background. I'm going to make this one with 2 hills. Draw a stalk of corn on the right side. The ear of corn is showing on the top, and then the leaves are bending underneath it. Add another stalk of corn on the left side to kind of balance things out. Feel free to make one taller than the other. Step number 8. Lastly, I'm adding some clouds in the background to kind of brighten up my sky. A little bit of white will always do that for any landscape drawing. Step number 9. Now it's time to trace everything with a black marker. Work slowly so you can stay right on those pencil lines. And when you are done, take a few minutes to erase any extra pencil lines that you still see. Okay, now it is coloring time. I'm starting with a kind of denim blue for the overalls. The same goes for the bib and cuffs on the pants too. I'm going to make that shirt orange. That seems like a nice fall color to add to my picture. That hat is going to be brown, so it looks kind of old. And a bit of red on the hat and patches will add some extra color to my scarecrow. Next, I'm using a kind of gold color for the straw hair. It will work just great for the straw hands and feet too. That pole, I imagine, is made out of wood, so I'm going to color it brown. And now those corn stalks are green, but I do need them to stand out from the grass. That's why I'm making them this light yellow-green color. And the ears of corn are, of course, a golden yellow. Now it's time to color those hills. I really like this grassy green color. Color neatly around the corn so you can still see it really well. Okay, all that remains is coloring in the sky. I'm using this light blue color and coloring slowly so I don't end up with any white spots. And be sure to leave those clouds white, as they will really add some brightness to your drawing. And this scarecrow drawing is done. I love how these hills make things look a bit more interesting and add a lot of extra color at the same time. It's something to keep in mind the next time you do a landscape. Horizon lines don't always have to be flat, you know. So I hope you've enjoyed this drawing video tutorial. I have even more drawing tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a pumpkin and how to draw a scarecrow face. I'll see you next time and keep on drawing!